6 days and ready to win. I'm sure today, 7th day. So it's our idea was make like find idea and make the full product in 4 days. But unfortunately, we had some bugs, had some problems with the OpenAI and something with Adala, and we have also problems with our organizing of all. And now the 7th day, but I'm sure that we are finishing today, finishing the development part, and like by the end of the stream, you can test this product. So, so now let's take a quick overview of what we have done in these 6 days. And I also want to present each other. So I'm Alex, the founder of High No Code Agency. We develop apps, CRM systems, ERP systems, like marketplaces, aggregators, all products which have interface. And this is Daniil. He has an Acorn agency. They develop e-commerce stores, shops. So, like, am I right, Daniil?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. My name is Daniil. I'm founder of Acorn Agency. I also run an agency, but we focus on e-commerce and Shopify ecosystem. I was founder of a couple of startups, and recently developed a fashion AI startup powered by computer vision algorithms. Right now, I'm exploring with Alex new opportunities in startups and no-code apps using OpenAI API. That's how we started this streaming session and started the streaming marathon. I don't know how to call it other than marathon, because we are already 7 days and it's the 7th day of our stream, even though we expected to finish it in 4 days, but something just didn't go well. Our plans were not realistic. We learned a lot about this. I think now Alex understands that finally no code is not that easy. It's easy, but not that easy that we expected from first day. Now we understand it much more, and also we are very excited to finish the app, launch it. We plan to make a launch on Saturday. Yes, not today, not tomorrow, Saturday, because we understand that it will take some time to prepare everything, to polish everything, and also it's very important to choose the right day for launching Product Hunt, and weekdays is quite busy time to launch it. So yeah, that's why we are here, and we are going to finish today. Very short stream today. It's not going to be long for sure. For me too. For me definitely. I don't know, Alex, for you, but I'm not gonna spend another night sitting here. But we'll try to do today very short, but very focused work. Let's do it completely parallel. Let's discuss who will do what. Make sure everything very clear and complete. Let's not spend time on like doing a demo, on choosing like what to use for the demonstration. Speaking with our audience, but we don't have audience, right? No one is there's not that many people watching us, so we can just focus on product today. Let's spend a couple of hours just working, and then continue tomorrow, and by the Saturday we'll be super ready. Let's go.
Yeah, so you said that I'm now not very sure that no code is so easy as I think. So I have no code agency, and that's false. So I still know that no code can be very fast, and like this, I'm sure that if you have a very experienced developer, maybe this functionality it's like possible to create it for in 1 week. Yes, but like for code has many many complexities. And so, for example, for founders who just start their businesses, it is always it's like very expensive thing, or they need to work with some. It will be expensive, or this code will be bad. So like it will be bad experience because it will be cheap, and professionals won't be well. That's why. So we just we have to. We didn't haven't done it in 4 days, but shit happens in every project, and so we just need to fix the bugs. We fixed already most of them, and now we just on the like finish line. So yeah, let's Daniil, can you introduce very fast what we have done from the product side and design side in the last for the last for past days, and then I very quick to introduce our technical side.
From day one we started with the idea of that we
Can you share the Miro file?
Yeah, okay, sure. So what we are doing, very short, sorry, where is, I forgot to prepare the Miro file. 1 second, dude.
Yeah, just we just want to take a few minutes for publish it in our social networks. Maybe somebody come from our for our networks. So let's take a photo as usual for my Instagram. So always take a photo and say that we're live now.
Okay, let me start.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let me start. I will start sharing my screen. Okay, so first of all, we started with an idea that we have to prepare a big list of hypotheses with different ideas that we would like to work on. So we created this list, and we were choosing the best idea that we like, both of us, based on solution value, the problem value, market size, and how excitement is to build this thing. So we choose the idea of building AI generator of kid books and stories. That's what we are doing the last 6 days. After that, we moved to this product canvas, which helped us to identify the core elements of our future product and the platform and which integrations we would need to use. That was very helpful to understand the product. And then we moved to user flow. For this project, we designed the mind map of every screen and every logic behind the screens of the application. So it helped us and helped designer to build an application in first in Figma, and then transfer it to Adala. Yeah, we also have a designs. They are in Figma, but Figma is not here. I think we should copy paste Figma here file, because not everything is like in different places right now, but we will definitely prepare it so everyone will be able to track our progress and track our records and everything we did for past streams. So while Alex was starting building the application, I was also researching stories. I found out that all stories will contain of character, plot, and age. I have created different characters and stories, and created demo stories for website and also for our so we can use them as a reference. Then I made an integration with Make, which didn't work well because Make has very bad integration with Adalo. Adalo is a platform that we build an application on, and then we decided to move to Zapier. Because it has more native integration, but Zapier also didn't work. So in the end, Alex just made it the direct integration from Adalo to OpenAI. Yeah, so that's all from the Miro part. Alex, you can share what we have right now in the product. What is this current stage of the product?
Yeah, moment. So I don't know why, but my laptop now is very laggy. Maybe I need to update it. It's very hot. Okay, so we just chose the Adalo for front end and backend. So it's no code tool. We chose it because I have experience only, like strong experience only with Adalo now, and also yeah, it's good because you can in one time create the web application and easy to send it to the App Store. As you saw in the next, if you see our previous stream, I sent it like prepare and send it to TestFlight in 1 hour. So, and it's very good for us because this app focused on the mobile and laptops, and so it's just yeah, like better for like near future if you start to like improve this app. So okay, this we just transferred all design to the Adalo. So we have sign-in screen, onboarding screen. We have sign-in login screen. We have the main screen with the home and home to with the story, custom story and story builder. We have a list of my stories, and we have list screen with the story. And also we have logic with payments. So we have three packs, yeah, with the credits, and we have payment and have these screens for payment. But now you can see, like internally, it will be not like it will look different way when it will work. So, and and we also, what is interesting to say, we integrated the custom action in the buttons with OpenAI, and it works now good. So, but we have some problem. We have a problem now, which we want to solve it first. So for some reason, because not because of not Adalo, because of OpenAI, so we just we're getting only body of the. So this prompt will sending to OpenAI, and we get only body. But here, when we create the when we create this request, we have problem here in story in title not creating. But now I know why it's not creating. I just checked it, and sorry. So here I just duplicated old logic, and so like the second action, we have first action for body story and the second action for title, and we had the action when you take all a created story, send to OpenAI, and back with the title. But it didn't work for some reason, because like it's huge text or something else, I don't know. And we just made a decision, make it like take the chosen character and take write the title about somebody and like choose story type. So, and for this logic, it works. It should work. And that's all. So let's see how it works in the live. So yeah. So I have now 0 credits. Let's add some. I want to add some credits for yeah, because without credits you don't you can't create your story. So we have one new user. I don't know where where it came. He came, but we have Sebastian Scheibmeier. I don't know who is it. Maybe it's your dude, Daniil. No, Daniil.
No, it's not me. I didn't share this with anyone.
Maybe somebody just go to the QR code which we had and
Yeah.
But let's check the story that created by this user. So okay, he didn't fill the information and he get the story, right?
What does it mean?
It means that he didn't choose the story type and character and created the story. It's like bug which you talked about. So it happened with the how to say yeah, with the blank fields. Okay, so let's create the story. Can you give me information about the story, or I will create it by myself? Daniil?
Yeah, I'm here. Just do it yourself. I'm writing the description.
Okay, so main character will be Alex. So Alex, and for example, story about creation MVP in 7 days. Okay, let's do like that. So and let's create a magic story. Oh, I spent my credit, but one moment. Okay, let's try it again, because for some reason it's didn't complete the action. So we have this user. We have test 6, and let's add 1 credit and go check it again. I don't know why, but it doesn't work now. Let's check it again. Let's create our custom action. Let's test our custom action. So it works okay. I don't know why it stopped. So we choose a story type. So we just this don't have a problem. Here we just write a title. So let's create this. Let's check this custom action. It works okay. Let's I don't know. Maybe I have. That's why. Because I have something with connection. let's check the speed of the internet. Okay, so yeah, so something wrong with the process. So yeah, let's create a new account and go through this process. Email will be 10 test. So let's create a story. So making start in 7 days and create a magic story. I don't know why, but it so it's first it take the action, and then for some reason, so first I just want to check how it looks like. Oh, so as you see, stories created. And now we can see the story. I mean, Daniil, can you see it? So story created, but it took time. Can you see, like, so title is okay?
Yeah, it's okay. We don't show it in the previous screen, and that's it. Yeah, that's how we solved the problem.
Yeah, so yeah, on the previous screen we don't have it, but it's strange that, so you know that so it didn't appear at the same time. I don't know why. And even here, so here I don't have the story, so okay. Let's try it again, because it is maybe something wrong. Maybe I don't know what happened, but so I created this account and I have stories, but for some reason so for some reason, so I have these 2 stories on my account, but here when I created it so in this account didn't create it. I don't know why. Let's check it again. Let's add one credit. And trying to check. Let's try to check. So let's create a story about something for childs. I mean, let's how it will be. So let's create like a story about Luntic and how to, like, helping people is important, for example, with the title. So in the story plot, we create a story about definition. So let's create it. So it happened, but it happened not. So you can see here, like, I mean, action looks like completed, but it now in work, so it now creating the story, I think. Yeah, now you can see the story. Daniil, is it so? I have new idea. We can open the screen for like loading screen here. And now how it works, I just tap on the button and after that I can set the action for waiting the story. Because now you need to understand what you need to understand that story now in creation. So it's not like simple to understand that it's now creating. So, and as you see, we have title and we have this text of the story. Daniil, let's check if our title the same like the story. So how we can check it? Because it won't be good if the title is different.
Yeah, Alex, you can check.
So we have the power of Luntic, why helping others is so important. And here we have once upon a time, there lived a young Eve called Luntic. He was the best Eve elf in all of the land. He lived in a small Elven village surrounded by large green forests and bathing brooks. Luntik's village was filled with the friendly, kind people. Okay, let's pass this. So one day, one man named Leonard stumbled into Luntik's village. He was exhausted, and his clothes were all tattered and torn. So he told the villagers he was lost and had been walking for days. Luntik immediately looked at him, giving him clean clothes, a good meal, and a warm bed. Next day, Luntik decided to take Leonard out and show him around the village. As they talked, Leonard slowly opened up and told Luntik his story. He had been living alone in the forest trying to avoid the war and had broken out the neighborhood kingdom. Luntik was deeply moved by Leonard's story and vowed. What does it mean? Vowed to help the old man get back home. So with Leonard in tow, so Luntik set off a long journey. So day after day, Luntik and Leonard trekked through the woods and villages, helping those in need along the way. In each place, Leonard was welcomed with open arms and offered a place to stay for a night. Finally, after many days of travel, Luntik and Leonard arrived at Leonard's home. He was ruined with his family and friends, and Luntik's heart was filled with joy. So now Luntik knew the importance of helping others. He understood that no matter what, it's always important to lend a helping hand. So he also understood the value of friendship, and no matter how hard the journey seemed, with a friend beside you, it's always easier to bear. So Luntik returned home to his village, more motivated than ever before to help others in need. He made it his mission to lend a helping hand whenever he could, and to spread the message of friendship and kindness across the village. And so Luntik's tale ended, thought where and when his journey of helping others began is still a mystery. But no matters where his travels lead him, Luntik will never forget the importance of helping those in need and of the value of friendship and kindness. So, so I think So I think title is good. So the power of a lunatic, why helping others is important. I think like the story is very good. It's not so Daniel. What I thought about our stories, so they're not so interesting. Just too many like water. In the stories. But I think in the future we can make our own model, right? And just learn and give this model all stories which we have in our world, and it will help with this. It will educate with the stories. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. It could be personalized, and there could be many different ways we can, change them. But it should be in the next iteration of product.
By the way, I tested yesterday some apps with the stories. I tested all the main apps with the story creating, and they were very like not so good. So our important thing in our app, so that you can just choose character and story about. All these apps has the same logic that you need to tap something like story about that, story about that. But here we have like very simple and straight logic, and yeah, it works very good, I think. But okay, so let's continue. So Daniil, what's planned for today? So my plan is cleaning up this app. So I first want to start with the landing page which we have, which now has a problem. You can see it now. So like layout of this landing is bad, and I just want to make it better with in the DALA. And also I want to figure out how to make it fields required, because now you can create the stories without putting here something. And also I want go to payments and set the payments here, because now we don't have payments options. We have payment for Stripe, but we don't have payment for Apple. Because we want to publish it. I already yesterday published it in test flight, and now we need to finish with with payment, and we can send in to review, because like the main aim send it to review. And I think that's all for and now and also I want to, if I have a time, because I have now like only 1.5 hour, I want to send it also in Google Play. So like the same app. Daniel, how about you? What you will do this time?
Yeah. So first, thanks for sharing. First, I just it took for me some time, but finally I have collected all materials that we had during this stream sessions. Everything right now is collected in one Notion file. I also will add some. I think later I want to add there some like links to streams and some accesses that you shared with me. So everything is at one place. That was a big problem before. I always was like looking for Figma file or for Miro. Now it's centralized. So today I'm writing down the descriptions for applications. We already have thumbnails made by designer, and today we only need to prepare descriptions, text, and probably like, yeah, I think I have to discuss with you like the developer policy and the usage policy. These things are, I think, necessary when you are launching the application, that your application has some policy. And it's also very important that you like, since you are using AI algorithms inside, you have to explain the AI, the moderation thing, and so on. After this, hopefully I finish in just like 15-20 minutes, because I already had some descriptions and materials ready from previous days. I think I have to fix the problem with the main. I don't know how we can make one domain for two websites, for two Adalo applications. It's normal to have one domain for two websites because you can have subdomains, but with Adalo application that I didn't do it before, so I'm gonna try it. Hopefully, I can like fix the domain because our landing page still has no domain, and that's very strange because we did it in the first day, and while we were doing all this like building this product for all these days, technically we would be able to share it with our subscribers, followers, people who are watching us. They would just be able to try our product and click something, and I think this is something that our streams are missing. We are missing the real result for our for people who is watching us. Like we didn't give them anything to try. We didn't give them a link to make a demo, or we didn't give them even landing page. So I think we should today,
We
even
should,
if we
Daniel.
don't finish the application, we should share it with people.
Then Daniel, I can share this link for now, so I can share now in the chat, so it works now.
But did you make this? But everyone will have to register, right, with Google Authorize.
Or with Apple or with email, right? But
okay.
It's okay. So
Okay,
I
yeah.
can.
Yeah, sure, it's good. Also, do you have moderation?
What moderation for stories? No.
Yeah, you removed it.
Yeah, I said you before, but because our algorithm that won't work with OpenAI when it was, so when we had generation, when we had these fields. So yeah, this is a problem. This was a problem. So you can try, but so now
worked well for
important point. Now we have finished product on the web, so you can try it now. It can have some, I know, like very small something in layouts and so on, but probably not. But now it works. So, but yeah, if you want to create more stories, we can give you credits now. So we can give you like 5 credits, even like 10 credits because you're watching us now, and we can. So yeah, we can share it with you, and yeah. So. Let's please try, and if you need more credits, if you want to create more stories, ask in the chat and we will share it. So okay, I have one question about I forgot about no, I don't have questions now. So now you can see that we already have test flight. We have this design of the screens. We have it in test flight. We have new build. The 4th build yesterday, like until 7 a.m. I tested it, and in the 3 versions. So now we have the last version. So if you want to try it on the test flight, I can add your email. Please share it here. And also, Daniel, yeah, I have a question. Let's give for new users 2 stories, please, because one story it's I don't think we like lose not lose like it will be like big cost for us, but it I think it will be better if users will have two attempts for that.
Yeah, it's fine. I would better think of testing the moderation today.
Okay.
I think
So I think for your priority is better now finish with descriptions because because it's also I want to check the Google Google Play account and also work with that. And because we need to send it to review in stores, and then work with domain and moderation, because our time is limited for reviewing, and it should be reviewed like in these 2 days before publishing the product hunt. And I'm sure that have the app when you publish in the product hunt is better when you have just web application. Maybe just my warm dreams, but I don't know. So I want to first create my Google account. So let's name it High No Code Links. So now you can see how I create the new Google account. I think for you, if you haven't created your app, it will be. I'm not sure that it's very interesting, but it is a process. And for Apple account, it was a little bit difficult because you need strange numbers. So you need like tax number, and you can just find it somewhere. So you need to make a request for this special tax number. And here I hope it won't be the same problems, and I can create our Google account very quick. So Dania hasn't got a Google account. So now I want to create it. Because now like we have a mobile-based app, so stories usually like people family like in the family story, so they use mobile phones for reading stories or tablets, and it should be mobile focused. So let's make a description. I want to develop apps for my in our no-code development agency for clients and for startup Fabric. So I don't have other accounts. Let's write down developer name, contact name will be me, my okay, I need to make different email, main highnocode.com.
Hey Alex, check the question in the chat. There is someone asking, inner
guys,
me.
Can I hook up multiple API integration connections with different AI services in the same app in Adala? One service generates videos, images, other one generates text. Thanks a lot. Yes, sure. So you can create it with the custom actions. So I can quickly show how we have it here. So basically, we have like different API integrations. So we have different API integrations, but like with the same service, like OpenAI. But here you have when you just need to create the action, create the custom action, and go to new custom actions. And here by the instructions, I can show you how we have it. So you have the name, you have type, create, update, or delete, and then you need to fill in information from your API. So API-based base URL, you need to choose method, headers, it will be like authorization, something else, and body. So all these instructions you can find in your API request. And yeah, and you can create both, you can like even 10 integrations. So the same. Please, yeah, say if you will have some problems with that, I can advise you what if you will have. So it's no problem, but it's easy. So you need to understand, you need to know the documentations of API and know what you can know what you should to fill in the here. So okay, I think I answered your question. So let's continue with creating. So preferable language will be English, United States. Contact phone number will be mine also. And let's go. Okay, I can't verify your phone. Okay, I need to verify my email. Let's verify it. Okay, thank you for asking, Inner. So let's go to verifications. Okay, let's verify phone number. Send me a text message. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, verify. Okay, verify. Okay, let's continue. So now select number. How many apps does your organization plan to publish on Google Play next? If not sure, provide a approximate answer. I think we want to publish more than 10 apps, definitely. We will create one app in 1 week, and yeah, I don't know how about Daniil, but I plan to publish one app in 2 weeks. So I think it's a good plan and good how to say, good speed. Okay, earning money on Google Play. So does the recent plan? Yes, we want to have how to say better, like in-app purchases or subscriptions. I think we can use this one, like the first one and the second one too. So app categories we have. What category we have? So for kids and families, right? Let's go further. Confirm. Okay, confirm. Let's create the account. Okay, I hope it will be charged from my card. Yeah, we created our Google Play console. Woohoo! Congratulations. So I'm so happy of that because I couldn't make my transaction last time, and now I can do that. So yeah, so let's let's go the tutorial like publish. Yeah, let's go from Mandala, and they have instruction for publishing apps. So display settings. So we have go to publish Android app and update settings. So let's go to the tutorial. Publishing app in Google Play. Adala. So I think like publishing app in Google, it is it will be faster than with Apple. So okay, we already created the account. Create your Firebase project. Okay, I need to create Firebase project first. Okay, go to console Firebase. And I think I need to have the same email, which is okay. Let's create it with this email. So make sure the login into the same Google account as used for creating for Adala development profile. It's so we need to create it with the same account. Let's for that go to our another account. We have another account. Let's paste it here. So find Startup Pro. Okay. I like to a few months to help Google Web. Okay, not now. And let's go to it. Okay, welcome to Firebase. Daniil, how are you? What do you do? So let's create the project. Let's go straight for this. So we have, by the way, the name of our project in stores, Magic Stories AI. Is it right? Like, I agree. Daniil, I can't hear you.
Yeah, but why Magic Stories AI? I think people will think that it's our domain, but we don't have domain AI.
Because it's already taken Magic Stories.
The name for the app.
Yeah.
Why don't we launch in App Store with the name like Magic Stories and then like 2 dots and explanation of our app? Like many apps launch like this. I show I'll send you in Telegram. Like AI stories, create your story, or something like that.
Like Magic Story, like Magic Stories, create your story.
Yes, or create your own.
I am no. Let's do it like Magic Stories, dot and not dot. How to say? And the second part will be like child, like or fairy tales. It's like the different name of the stories. Fairy tales.
Yeah, but it's fairy tales. But what else? What's the point of like? I think it's like for short description is good. We can.
So fairy tales in 30 seconds, for example. Or because okay, we have like Magic Stories, child stories. It won't be okay. So I think it's.
I think we should play around personalization or AI generation, like Magic Stories, like unique stories or your unique fairy tales by AI. something like this.
Okay, let's go it later. So here we don't need name for now. Okay, but it's your fairy tales. Maybe fairy tales AI, fairy AI's AI fairy AI fairy tales maybe.
Magic stories, AI fairy tales. That's that's all the same part of the sentence. They should if we use like how to say, like a longer name, usually it's used for description of the app. So you can describe the app in this longer name. What is the point to say magic stories, AI fairy tales? Because it's like how to say,
Because some people
almost synonyms.
some people can write down stories, some people can write down fairy tales. That is the point.
I don't know. I think that fairy tale, people understand that it's. I think we should use we should explain in the name that we use AI or we generate something. So it could be magic stories, like something by AI or generated by AI or.
But it's like long generated. I think we need to show like the time of creation, like.
But it can change. It can change. You cannot be sure that it will be 30 seconds. I don't think that we should put name. We should put seconds in the name, because it's not something it's not something dependent on us. It's dependent on the like OpenAI API. Maybe they change something tomorrow and it will not work anymore, or it will work. I don't know, longer.
Let's go to now continue to create the configurations for Google Play. So now on the setting page, you'll see your app section, middle, click on the Android icon and create the new Android tab. Let's go here. So at Firebase to your Android app. Then we need to create a thing bundle. Bundle name. Yeah, register the tab using the following syntax. So let's create this one, magic stories. Magic stories, Android package name. Oh no, we need to have it here. Okay. And you can give it a nickname. Let's make it like magic stories. Okay, and then what's next? Downloading the config file, and you will need to get this file $. Okay. Register app. Okay, downloading the configuration file. You will need to get this file $. Okay, let's download it. and skip the Firebase SDK. Next step, and continue, right? Yep. Okay, that's all for this step. Looks like very simple. So generate, then download private key. So skill level expert. Before they began, should have knowledge from a database. Okay. Back on the main settings page and go to service account tab. To be honest, I don't know if why you need to know any knowledge here. So it's just step by steps. It's very easy. So let's go to generate the key. Daniel, what do you do? How it goes?
Yeah, I think I finished the description.
I will give you some now because we have, I think, some for the play play market too.
So what you want
I
to?
will have more because we have description now for Apple, but we also needed to do
What's
it.
the difference between Google Play and Apple description?
They have differences length of the text, so I think so.
I think I don't use a long text, so it should be okay. And I'll check the requirements of Google Play Market.
Okay. So I think we are fine what we have. So in Adal in the left toolbar, click on the Publish app, Publish Android app, and then Android export settings, create update settings. Okay, let's publish it. Update settings, bundle ID. What's our bundle ID? I think it is here, right? Magic Stories, project ID. Okay, it's here. Our package name. Let's choose the file. I have one question. So question will be about registration in Firebase, and it should be make sure you logged in into the same Google account you used to create your Google developer profile. Oh no, I know one one mistake which I created. I created not with the right. I created like I need to recreate Firebase on another account because here so I need to recreate Firebase on another account. Definitely. I thought it's like about a dollar account, but okay. Stories. Enable default account. So let's continue. Let's go to the same project settings. Let's create the Android app. Compoint magic stories. Okay, it should be with this naming. Android app nickname. Magic Stories register app. Okay, next, and continue to console. So let's go to service accounts, and let's go the same, generate new private key, and generate key. So I think for now we are done. So let's go again to this. Let's choose the file first. The first file, and the second, this file. And stop next. Web display name. So what's name? Magic Stories. Why you don't want to use Magic Stories AI?
Well, okay. If you think that, I think I'm okay. I was thinking if people will be concerned about the domain, but then I realized in Apple Store or Google Play Market, it doesn't matter because people, they download application if they want to try. They don't go to website.
Maybe Magic Stories for children?
No, that's definitely, I don't know, it's not.
Okay.
I think that Magic Stories AI is good.
Okay. So what's next? And what's next? We just save. Okay. So we are on the finish line. We're on the finish line. So we need now build our app. Start new Android build. Tap next and save and continue. So it will be version 1. 15 minutes of building. So cool. So when it build, when we have it in the progress of building, so let's figure out what with small points which
Alex,
we have.
by the way, what will be the minimum price for the package? We discussed last time that that it's like too expensive.
You can see it now. I changed it.
$4.99. Okay, maybe even less. Maybe like $3 or $2.99 for the minimum one.
Okay, but up to you. But if it will be 2, you can buy it can if it will be 3, you can buy 15 for $15. So it's like the same. It will be the same.
Why same? No,
Like, so you want to change it, or
yeah, I want to change the minimum price from 4.9 to like, let's make 3.9. So we can say that buy 10 stories less than cup of Starbucks, cup of coffee. Like buy 10 stories with the price of coffee. Yeah.
cup of coffee cost $5 in Starbucks?
Yeah. So I tell that this is cheaper than coffee. That's the point, selling point.
Okay, but we need to change our
Yeah,
different
change other, please.
to what? To which prices?
Just okay. So
It will be
10.
15. It will be 15 if for the 3 and 9. So here it will be, I don't know, 10.
No. 3.9. It will be 19.5.
Okay, 19. So here you save $5.
Here you save around like 15%. Yeah, 15%. 15%.
Why you think percent is better? Percent.
Because bigger number. Okay, $5 or what? Okay, what feels bigger discount? $5 or 15%?
$5 because I understand it's $5.
Okay.
But okay, and 100 stories for 20.
One second.
I would have unlimited stories for like 100, for example. What do you think?
100 stories.
No, I want to have unlimited for $100.
Oh, that's like too much. Maybe 1 month unlimited. No, like what is unlimited? Unlimited forever?
Yeah, 1 month. Yeah, of course, 1 month unlimited. Yeah,
I think
1 month
no one.
unlimited for $100.
I would go with this one because unlimited it's more difficult to explain, and like month. So if it's like 1 month unlimited, then it's subscription. So how you will integrate subscription to your app? Just go with 100 stories and the price is okay.
So here you can save for $20.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but say $5. Put dollar sign before the number.
It's interesting how much we will have customer. So customer cost. Okay, let's continue. Guys. So we have now this logic, and what's next on my side? So next will be, while we are waiting for build. It's like 10 minutes remained. I want to go to website and make some changes on the website, because now we have a big problem with this positioning. I don't know why, but as you can see, it works not so good on the wide screen, and I want to do something with that. So what I did last time, I grouped objects. Here I grouped this object, but that didn't help me. So I don't know what else I should do. So I just will try to regroup ungroup these objects and ungroup these objects, just to understand what's the reason. Because okay, now we have center. Because when you have when you see that, it means that it is centered. Oh, okay, now it works. But stars. So we have some problems in stars, but I think it's not a problem. We just need to make like it higher, so they won't be cover our title. So let's do it like that and see what we have now. Oh, shit. Okay, let's change it again. So I'm not recommend Yodalo for the website, but definitely not. Why you do that? Okay, center, please. Yeah, because mobile version of Adalo, they always work with that, but with the web version, as we see, they don't work with that, and you will have this type of the bugs. Maybe change something. Okay, let's recreate this. So we have parameters extra bold Nunita 60. Let's just copy this, delete this, and create the new one. So it will be white. It will be Nunita, and it will be extra bold and 60 and line center. So now it should work. I don't know, maybe do like that. What happened? Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, it doesn't work. What if we group again these objects and center them? Maybe it happened because of the star. Okay, it's better. Now it is much better. But now we have problems with this thing.
Hey Alex, can you share with me Miro access, because I don't know why I cannot copy text from there. I only can watch it. cannot copy.
Okay. You have good access?
Mhm.
Oh, okay. I changed.
Oh, we have feedback on the name.
Feedback.
One tap the new Magic Stories may know better name because mothers and fathers not interested to read for their child something from AI. It is artificial intelligence. Yeah, that's a good point, by the way. Parents want quality books. They like they don't want something like cheap and like bad quality or generated by a robot until they understand that robot can generate really good stories. So yeah, maybe AI can be can change, can be like, I don't know, in the naming it could be a little bit how to say, not it will not improve our conversion rate. It may like lower it down because some parents will think of, okay, I have like Magic Tales or I have Magic Stories AI. What I want to choose? Maybe they won't choose AI because they don't want children to read just
But
text.
it's just hypothesis. So because now, like even my friend, he makes some videos about AI, and like people who don't know that they were interested in what does it mean, artificial intelligence, and maybe they will be excited about that. But I don't know. So it's up to you. I don't know. No ideas. I think it's like it's a little thing for now, but
What would you pay more if you have Magic Stories and it has AI? So you understand. So you need the content, right? You want content, and you have two choices that this content will be AI or it will be personalized. What do you want? What would you pay more for?
for best,
AI and personalized.
maybe
I think
person.
personalized. It sounds like more expensive, and it sounds like it's more good quality because it's for you, created for you, and so on and so on. While AI seems to be more like a cheap, like thing that will be cheaper. And here is a good point. When people choose application in the App Store, will they choose cheap option or premium option?
Yeah, it's a good point. But well, okay, what's your ideas about the name?
Maybe it's Magic Stories. Uh, hmm, maybe it will be AI for your child, or no, it's too long, I think, and it's strange. Um, I thought about personal AI or AI for someone. Maybe,
Without AI.
huh?
Let's do you suggested it
Yeah,
without AI.
yeah. I thought, how can we make AI word to be like premium one? So to put some.
Can you see my
Uh,
screen now?
Yeah,
So I think I solved this problem. It was
that's
not so
good.
easy, but now you can see that it is not, like it's okay. So we layouts.
Do we plan to add cases there?
Yeah, I want to do it now. And Daniil, is it okay? How do you think that we don't have here any like links or maybe after publishing an app store, we need to definitely has like links like App Store, Google Play,
Of
definitely.
course, yeah, definitely. We should have these links, and they should be in the very beginning. I think that for this landing page, we needed to use Unicorn platform. Do you know Unicorn platform?
Why? We already have it built it.
Yeah, but it has very good like call to actions and everything like that.
But we don't have call.
I think
Let's.
it would spend like few seconds to set up website there.
But
I
it will
think
be. You can't create like designer already spend time and create this beautiful design. So I don't need. I don't. I definitely don't think that we don't. We need to change something. So why we
yeah,
have it.
but for example, buttons for like Apple and Play Store or cases, we also have to add cases.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I do it now.
Okay.
Yeah, buttons App Store and Google Play, but we now don't have Google Play and App Store. So maybe add them when we have, when we'll have.
I don't know.
Now it will be a little bit strange that you just will be will touch, yeah, will tap on the App Store and go to Web View.
Alex, you didn't tell me before that you have app for refugees.
It's strange. It's strange story. It's like I, I have one lead, and he wanted to make this app, and I thought, okay, what if I try to do it like in the hour, and I created in an hour, and but it was very strange because I created it, and then this client said that we already chose somebody, and it was fail story.
So what did you decide to do after that?
I didn't get the lesson from this story about the design, so that I don't. Now I don't want um, to create something with the. Oh, by the way, we can change the here positioning. Okay, I don't want to now create something without design because like even MVP should be not ugly. So it's like standard of our days, and now people from B2C, for example, not we don't talk about B2B. From
Mm-hmm.
B2B field, they aren't ready to test something. It should be like very useful product, like list.
Yeah, that's true. That's very true. Yeah, I agree because I also had the same problem. Like even I would say that even in some industries, even B2B clients, they would need to for you to have a good looking design for MVP. Because if they will show it to their customers, if B2B showed it to their customer, then they will require it to be like brilliant, even if it's like MVP. They will not understand that it's just a hypothesis, and whatever happens, like they will not get a big.
I mean, if you create the product for internal use, it can be like less beautiful. But I don't think so because it's like why you respect your clients and you don't respect your employees, for example, and okay with like bet that employees every day will work with like bad design. So it's I think bad logic. Okay, we have rectangle. Okay, let's just copy this rectangle, put it here, because here we have absolutely the same logic, but the size will be another.
Do you have a paid Adalo plan?
Yeah, of course. Why are you asking about domain? You just working with domain now? I pay like $50 every day. Oh, sorry, every month.
Every day, yo, so expensive, man.
I work in no code.
Good.
It's like answering your question about expensive. Okay, it looks like okay, but we have one problem here. So I want to resend. I want to do it not like that, not like in design, because it will be. So okay, I can show you. So let's all objects will be centered. It will be faster and better for our experience. And also it will be the list of the stories. So what do I mean? We will create extra list. We will have the same list as stories, but now all stories will have true false, published or not, like public or not. And now we just entire the app can see all stories and by ourselves click which stories we can public and which not. So for example, let's public for now one story about Luntik.
Hey, yo.
What?
Shit.
What?
I don't know, but there is always a problem with the main on Magic, like on Adalo. I don't know.
Can you Google it?
Yes.
So let's continue. Main character story about. and HHL. So also don't forget that we have different, that we have strange gaps here, and that's why we need to do it like the top. We will have some gaps. And let's go to main character. Okay, let's go size 16 and yellow. Oh, by the way, we don't have here colors, our main colors. Let's change it. Let's put the yellow color here and our main color here. By the way, we have now 5 viewers, so it's success.
Wow! Hey everyone!
Hello, guys. So yesterday we had, to be honest, like 1 or 2 users, sorry, viewers. And sorry, it's like professional information. And now we have 5. It's good. I think it looks like what I do now very boring, but I thank you for that you see that not as very boring as I think. So 16. So now I just want to transfer our cases of the stories to the website, and so here I think will be photos of Google. So here it will be like Google Play and App Store. So let's add it now. So we need to add image. Just to understand how it will look like. And let's Google this. So Google App Store image. Download an App Store. How it looks like. Good. I think it's good. So does it matter? But this is with border. Download in App Store image. So I need the most standard image. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay. And Google Play. Google Play Store. Download in Google Play image. Let's use this one. Oh no. This created not in the right way. So let's check the size of this image. Looks like we need to know about sizes. So, okay, 759. Okay, it's too big. Okay, I think it looks like okay. But no, it has strange borders. Let's Google it. So I think we have some. Okay, Google Play pages. Okay, digital language English PNG page download. Okay, I think it's all. Let's also add Google Apple page download in Apple Store. How is it going with the domain?
Almost.
Why? What was the problem?
It's not finished yet, but I think that I know what to do.
So we faced with the problem with the main connection. I don't know why, but it's like don't connect. No.
Yeah, and I think it's a frequent problem with the data. I have seen other people complaining on this too.
Oh, we have many options. So where we need to have English. Where is English? What the hell? What? What? What is this? So a year is there? I don't know where is English language here. What happened? Maybe this one. Okay, something strange. Why you can't just give the right image? Okay, let's use not this one. Let's use this one. I hear this amazing music. Okay. It's strange because I don't know where is it. So we have Russian, even Russian language, but where's English? Maybe it's like, I don't British. Maybe US language. Where's English? Okay, US. Sorry about that. We have US. And only SVG. Let's open it in Figma because I don't know why, but SVG, we can't open SVG. Okay. How it will be if, okay, no, I answered on my question. I just thought about color, it should be, but I think it should be black because we have for Google we have black. That's why I think for Apple we need to have black too. You drink something?
Nope.
I very want to drink Sprite. No way. Maybe order some Sprite.
I think I'm gonna finish soon.
Maybe give 3 stories.
For free, I think 2 is enough.
So now it looks like good thing. Yeah, and also Daniil, I'm waiting from you like privacy policies or something like that.
You are what?
I'm waiting from you privacy policies.
But
So,
I don't have any privacy policies.
huh?
What? I didn't know that you are waiting for me something. I thought you are doing them. No?
Privacy policies? No, I just no. I haven't planned the privacy policies. I mean, well, after like, but the main is more important than privacy policies.
Yeah.
Size 16. Okay, Pikachu. Okay, so it will be Nonita, and then we'll have the name, example Pikachu. It will be white and 28, extra bold and white. Pikachu, story about why it's important to be kind. So, story about why it's important to be kind. And then age. Let's say age. Age of child. 8 plus. Okay, let's leave it like that. So it will be group, it will be group. And let's make a group. Okay, let's try it out how it works. It's okay, but I would say that it is better to make it. Oh, here we have list. I don't want to have list. Why I have list here? Okay. And I want to delete the list and paste just the story because they already will be in the list. Okay, let's do like that. And why invisible? Okay, we have some problems here. That this is not centered. Let's improve it. And also I want to make this group and this one group. But I don't think that this, so let's ungroup this group. group these elements. And then after that, I want to make it as a list. And in this list, I want here to change it to character. Oh, sorry. First, we need to choose the list of stories. And here it will be only published stories. Public, true. So here it will be the character. It will be character. Then it will be our type. And then it will be our age range. Then it will be title of the story. Name. Daniel, how it goes?
Doesn't work well. Doesn't work well. I have to admit. I don't know why, but our I used different things from Adalo forum, but all didn't work. Maybe it takes time. I don't know, because I just connected it a few minutes ago. But I don't know. App.magic stories should be live for some time.
So it works, looks like well, but
it doesn't work well. It's just, I don't know why, but it's not redirecting properly.
no, I'm just talking about my part. I don't know why, but as you see, we have big gap here. Maybe, oh, okay, I got it. It is because of this one.
Okay, Alex, I have to finish here where I am now, and I think that the main thing, it definitely should be fixed on our side, because check sent to you that I have added successfully in Adala, and Cloudflare. I set it up Cloudflare, but still, like, I don't know, still not found. Maybe it takes more time than normally, or maybe just Dala. I have to. I think before I go, I will send support ticket to Adala.
Have you prepared for me info because we need to publish App Store?
Yeah. I sent you a link to Notion where I collected all the information.
For Google Play too.
Yeah, Google and Apple. But I don't have privacy policy because how do I know? How can I get it? We didn't discuss it at all. And I think you can just use privacy policy of your previous application, no?
I didn't have privacy policy of previous applications. I use privacy policy of Adala. We can use this.
But you know what? We should put moderation inside of our OpenAI, or we should change the text because my current text that I prepared is about application that is like child friendly, that everyone can use it. If we cannot use it, if if you don't put moderation, children cannot use it. That should be clearly stated.
Use this application, our application.
Yeah.
Why you wrote about that?
No, I didn't write this, but we should write it. I don't know, but because I told you we have to put moderation before doing something with the app. But we can do it even after we launch it, right? Or in the process.
We couldn't change prompt after but in the next version of the App Store we can, but we need to have this prompt in the no, we have to have it. So as you see, can you see the screen now? So I now one story published, and you can see that all works okay. So let's use for this screen. So for this screen, it will be okay too. For mobile, it's okay. So we have good result here. And also, I want just to show that if I want to make it public another store, it will appear here. So let's update the website.
So how to choose it, which will be published?
As you see, we have it, but let's.
Yeah, but who choose to be published?
You in database we can
only we can control it, or everyone who published the story, who make the story?
Yes, we can make moderation. So
okay,
because without moderation it will be very bad.
Yeah.
But in the future, let's add this feature so that I can send to the public my store, because it will be interesting. So I think we now have how many? We have 117 stories, but some of them not the best one. But so as you see, we have it like 2 stories. Looks like good, I think. And can you, Daniil, can you test it? I can send it in the chat. In the...
Wait a second. I have to finish the... I need to find how to send ticket for support.
But why you want to send? You said that it's okay. No works.
It's not okay. I didn't tell you this. It's okay. It's still not fixed.
But here I see publish domain.
Yes, domain is published, but it's not visible. I don't know why. I think it's a problem of in Adalo side. Yeah, I checked it everywhere in Cloudflare, and it should work according to forum. I also checked some forum, and some people were writing about this problem before. Do you know how to send support ticket?
You go to forum, register, and create new.
No. Just as Adalo don't have a support, don't have customer support.
I think
Like-
no.
Only.
Only forum.
Come on, seriously, this application don't have support. It's a big service.
Maybe
Yeah.
in documentation. Maybe in settings.
From one side, it's okay. I mean, not okay, but from one side, it's good that you never used customer support. But from another side, it looks like bad like product, because like so many problems can happen with people, and they are like developing. It's not just a game. It's a product business for someone.
Our life is a game. Okay, Daniil, and also, can you please test the app?
Alex, I'm leaving. Alex, please don't give me any task today. I'm leaving.
No, can you test it, the test flight? Because now I will publish in the App Store, and if you have bugs, they will be published in the app. So I checked.
I tested from my from taxi. Okay.
Okay, but I need your email in App Store.
Yeah, I send you in Telegram.
And also, do you have Android?
Nope.
Do maybe your friends?
Of course, some of them have, but I don't like remember anyone right now who's using Android. Some people use it, but
Because we need to check it. You need to check it how it works on Android. It's important. So you added description.
I think something wrong with the Adala because there is a domain from Adala and it's not working as well. magicstories.adala.com. It's also not working. I don't know why.
Daniil, where's descriptions for App Store and Google Play?
In the Notion link I sent you.
You created a new one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, Notion.
Okay, I cannot find somewhere to send support ticket. That's shit.
What does it mean moderated?
It's for moderated version of text. If the text is not moderated, then we have to put disclaimer.
So it's for you added only for description because I can show you now. So the thing is that we, as you see, we have advertising text, we have description, we have keywords, we have marketing URL, but it's okay, so we can use our website. We have so like description. You have what's advertising text?
Why is everything in Russian? Why is it everything in Russian?
Because I don't know, but it's like the interface. I don't know.
Yeah.
So we have advertising text.
Yes, I have it in the very beginning, just after name.
Okay. Create personalized stories to the AI. You said that the AI you don't want to.
No, from name. It's about name. This is not name.
Okay, and then it's all description, right?
Yeah. But if you have no moderation inside of, then we need to put this disclaimer.
And keywords.
I don't know what is keywords, to be honest.
It's just keywords. I don't know. I don't know to.
You launched something before, no? But you launched some applications.
It's just like for searching. So child stories, fairy tales.
They are very important for search engine optimization inside of App Store.
What?
They are important for search engine optimization for App Store.
Okay, let's create them. So child stories, fairy tale. What else?
AI.
No code. Child stories, fairy tale. Maybe child books. Child study, maybe. Kindergarten.
Okay, Alex, I want to thank you and everyone for being here, for watching us.
More keywords.
I can send you some keywords in text. I want to say I want to go now. So thank you everyone for watching. See you tomorrow because I expect tomorrow it will still be some tasks to do. So let's continue tomorrow. And Alex, have a good night. Don't stay until the morning. Let's finish it tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.
30 minutes. Stories for it. Bye. So we have some problems here. So it contains symbols, not right symbols. Maybe this one. Yeah, it's okay now. Okay, now it works. So what's next? So I need to add Dania to the testers. Let's add the as a tester, Daniil as a tester. And then let's set him here. But I think now I can't add him. No, I can't. No. Okay, doesn't matter. So let's go next and so I want to change this lot animation to this one. Now you can see my screen. Yeah, you can see. So I just want to change float animation here, but I think it will take much time, a lot of time, because yeah, it's like huge amount of the text and doesn't look like it's okay with that. But okay, let's do like that. So let's finish with some small design tasks and go to the publishing. So I want to have another screen here. It will be like pop-up screen with a 226 rectangle. And rounding will be where's rounding? Where's so I want to know about parameters. Okay, let's just make it like our choice. So it'll be like that, and let's put delete account there, right? And also make it log out. And this will be this color. And it will be medium. This is make it higher. And that's all, I think. Yes, and make it also bottom, fix bottom, make it white. And now oh no, I made wrong action. We need first make it like a group and fix on the bottom. And here we need to make transparency background. And it will be go from the screen. So it will be by tapping this section. Cancel group. It will be here. Go to logout and just model. Here we'll do the same. Go to logout model. And now what we do, we here make action like delete account. And here we'll make an action. Yeah, then after deleting, it will be go to screen, to the screen. It will be like slide down, maybe. And here it will be not delete, but sign out. Need to ungroup it. Oh no. So we have here this group, and let's add action. Action will be user login, logout, and the next link to the screen. The sign is onboarding screen. Okay. So now it should work okay. It should work okay. Let's check. Yeah, it works. If I sign out, I just go to the screen. And let's also feed it the on screen. We'll do that. And a little bit higher. I think. Oh, okay, yeah. I think we're good now. And let's go to the main logic and make it. So I had a bug here. So here update the user and update it with the chosen character. Let's delete that because here, so here he will already update his parameters. So here, when I click, I will update my character name. Here I will update my type name, story type name, sorry. And here I will update the age. And that's all. So I don't need to have something else here. So have actions, extra actions here. So, and also it's important to know, important to understand that we need to here again we have logic. So I want to remind we had the problem with the second custom action didn't work because we had long story and we need to make title for the story. For some reason didn't work, and we realized that we need to work with the chosen character and story type. Okay, it will be updated. So yeah, this is the now it will work okay. And also I want to check my task in here. So landing page, it is done. Email verification, no. This design done. Update payment screen, yes, but we need to work with that. So we need to work with that. Appearing story on the story screen, it should appear after. So now let's delete this. It's old thing. Required fields and creating logic, mail verification, and set payment logic for Apple and Google. And this also, let's for today make it like Apple App Store Publishing. Just send to review. So looks like good. So we need to work with the require fields because now you can go without character. So let's think how to do that. So I think we can do it like required here because it's just fields. So as you see, you don't have like options required. But we may have options here, and we can make show advanced. We can make it sometimes happen. and it will be only when login user So I need to make it this logic solve required fields, and I can do it only with one field. So when choosing character, so for example, is not equal is empty, I just go and do that. But we can use only one action here, and that's why. By the way, guys, who are watching us now? It's interesting to know. We have 2 viewers, so it's almost 3 hours in the stream in live, and just interesting to know who are here. So login user choosing character is not equal as an empty. Yeah, and so here I can't make like any action after filling it, but I can do one thing, I think. So I can update the user. The user will update it. And then we can check if this user fields of this user. And only if, so first I can choose, I can set up that character name chosen. So for example, let's do like that. So let's go to the user and make like true false state. So first logged user. So no, character field. All right. Character field. Then we will check true false. Story type field. So it doesn't matter if I didn't choose don't choose child age of the child, but it's important that I choose story about, and I need to choose like, let's make it story field. Then I will have the first action with that. And the second action, I will check if, so I just make it true if sometimes if, yeah, if, so login user character field. Oh no, login user character chosen character is not equal than empty. So it will be first one. The second, I will put the story field will be true only if the previous is true. Sometimes only when character field is true, and I will make the story field. And after this action, it will be the final action. So open AI version 1. So I need to have a logged in user story field, because it means that we have story about field. Did you understand? So like we have the first one, we check the character field. If yes, yeah, if we checked it, if it's field, it will be checked. And the second one, we check the, oh no. So on the first one, we check the character field, and the second one, yeah, no, it's not right. So we can do like that. So we need to check the story plot about. Okay, I know how to do that with numbers. So I just will make it number, will make number. It will be number of success field. And it will be sometimes if I so if logged in user character field, it will be 1, right? Then if story about field so then no, it will be a success field, previous success field plus 1 if the previous field. No, only if logged in user field the story. We can also check it with the other components and check it the story about. So story about is if not equal empty. So we just do that. And here is the same. If story about, no, if character is not equal empty, it will be success field 1. So it means that, and we will have this action only if logged in user success field is equal to. If not, it wouldn't be created. Also, we'll create a story only if success field of the user will be 2. And like the same, this one. Only if success field will be 2. And this one too. Sometimes success field two. And then if not, we will show model. Please make it happen. Please fill in the text. Or we can just make it like that. We have it in design, I think. Here. Or not. Yeah, here we have. So we can use the same design. It will be red. And 15. It will appear here, I think. So it will appear here. Please fill all fields. Please fill in all fields down. And it will appear if if user didn't fill. So for example, let's try it out. Let's change the color to this one. Please fill fields. And it will be appeared if so we can also make it not story field and character field, but make it like empty fields. And it happened only if I sometimes visible if I as a login user have empty fields, yes, and empty fields true false will work only. Let's update it. Login user only if so it will be true only if I have new story, if I have success field less than 2, and it will be just will appear it. And also after filling, we need to update the user. We need to update the login user and change empty fields to false if login user success fields is equal to, so it will be disappeared. Let's move it to what? So it will be here. Yeah, let's try. It's complex logic, to be honest. But I'm not sure that it will work. But let's try. So I want to create an account. I go to create test 11. Alex there. Let's go next, and here I have on credit, and I don't want to fill this. So as you see, nothing happens. But nothing happens. Why? Because now it is empty. So let's give it here sign up and give it like success field as 0. And now we'll make success field the new user 0. Let's check it out. And by the way, our credit, so again, here it's sometimes visible if, okay. If logged in user empty fields is true. But when we tap here, first we will, okay, we need to check first if it's true or false and stop this action. So it will be updated only It will be updated. We need to separate it. We need to subtract user created only after checking if it's so empty fields. So as you see, empty fields false when it's equal to but it will be here, it should be here. It will be false. And also we update the user, but we need to do this action so empty fields. We need to do it true only if is equal only if so logged in user success fields is equal to only in this. This one will show only if it's false. And in the next action, we will subtract one credit. We can choose credits and -1 only if my credits is equal to, and put it here. So it should work now. So we need to make it, let's make it like empty fields false. Yeah, now false. It should be here. So please fill in all fields and press to create. So Alex, sorry about the best developer, and check it out. Okay, I don't have credits. Okay, let's add credits. Let's add 2 credits. Check it out. Alex, best developer. Looks like good. Oh, okay, it disappeared. It's good. But now story will be created. But what happened if it will be blank? Okay, best developer, you can see my story. And now let's test it if we don't have here the field. And let's create the story. It doesn't work. Okay, it should be. So it doesn't work for. It should work. The logic should be that I have minus credit if have blank. So in this field we give. So we'll. So if success field 1, if only if character not equal to empty, we'll check the character field. In this field we choose the story about is not equal to empty. In this field we check login user success field, and it will be so empty fields will be true only if, but you know, I think we have a problem in this. In this, because I can give one credit for okay, I don't want to waste time now for this logic. I'm sure that it can be solved, but I don't want, to be honest. You just first update the user. That's right. Then we make it like one option, empty or not empty fields, and we will determine only main character. So you definitely need to fill in character, okay, only character. But if you don't use story about, we can, yeah, just it will be random. So let's make it work. So let's delete this strange logic. It's not strange, it's okay. We tried, but no, I don't want to use this because it's so long. It will take a long time. And we first update the user. The second, we will check if we have empty fields or not. It will be false if it will be yeah, it will be false if we'll have blank character. Character is not equal to empty. No, if so empty fields will be true if if character is not equal to empty. Yeah, and so this will be happened only if I is login user. have so my empty fields should be true. Oh, let's make it like another way. So it will work if it's false. But on this stage, it will be true if if it is equal to empty. So it will be changed if I have blank. If not, I just login user empty fields false. Here it will be logged in user empty fields false. And this one, oh. So empty fields false will update if the empty fields false. And here it will be also empty fields false. Oh shit. Empty fields false. That's all. So, and we also need to subtract the credit. And let's subtract the credit -1 only if logged in user empty fields is false. Like that. It will before this one. Yeah, and this one will be if logged in user will be true. So it should work now. Let's check the last user. It should be false. Yeah, it's false now. Let's try it. So let's delete Alex and try to create a story. So as you see, we have hero. Please fill in the fields and press create. So if we will have here the new, for example, if we fill in character, we just go and it doesn't work, but maybe it works. But okay, so let's check it on our database. Okay, so it's false. It should work. So I want to check this email. Why? So now empty fields true. That's why we need to change this here. So we update it, but to subtract credit only if empty fields false. But let's update the user. So if I'm as a login user, my empty fields will be false. Again, if my character will be is not equal empty. Let's try it out. What happened? We need to put it here. So now so now I have like first time I had a mistake, but now I filled and I create a story, and as you see it disappeared, and we're just waiting for the story. So it works not ideally, but it's like only one way do it. So I think for today I don't have energy and time for publish the app in App Store. We made some important changes. Okay, why it became true again? Why it happened? Why it became true? What happened? What? It's very strange why we did it. We change empty fields to true. If logged in user empty fields is what? So we don't need it, have it now. So like for the standard, it will be false. So empty users will be false. First, we fill in character and story type. Then we empty fields make true if sometimes character field is equal to 0. So on the third step, we make it false if character is not equal to empty. And for the past, on the final step, we subtract credit if login user fields is false, or if empty fields of the login user is false. Empty fields of login user. So we don't have empty fields. And if it's false, only after that we start all the next actions and so on. So it works now. But let's continue it with this one, because here we don't have this logic. So we can do it like that here, only if, but let's do it tomorrow. So now it works on the main screen. Let's tap on the magic. We have to complete this screen with store for App Store, because without payment it's not it's not good way for publish. But now what we have done today, we created this design. We added requirement field here. We also made some changes on the landing page. It's the old version. So now we have this amazing landing page. If we tap here, we just go to stories, pre-filled stories, like I think we need to do something here. We need to extend this like that. Here, make the same thing. So now we also use methodologic with our cases. Now you can see cases, and yeah, now you can see cases on the website. And now they're not active, but we'll make it active after publishing the app. So yeah, it works now. This work also, we have mobile view. It will be created automatically, and is good. And yeah. By the way, now it works okay. Maybe we have our website works too. Let's check. Stories.com. No. And we can make it subdomain. Home. No. Home, for example. Home doesn't work. Okay, let's leave it like that, and maybe it will work. App Magic Stories. I like without something. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Thank you guys for coming, and we will continue the next day. Tomorrow we have, so today I have done with this one with the required fields, but I have done it, but we need to do required screen for the second screen. For the second screen, we have a mail verification task. It's important to we have set payment logic, Google and Apple, and App Store sent to review, and Google Play sent to review. So that's all. Yeah, thank you guys for coming. I hope it will be interesting to watch. I think it's too boring, but anyway, thank you. I don't want now sit until 6. I feel very bad, nervous because of that. So, but yeah, we'll continue tomorrow, 11 Bangkok time. It is 7 um, Moscow time. Thank you for coming, and hi no code if you yeah, need the app, CRM system, aggregator, marketplace, MVP for your startup. Go to our website. I won't be develop this app definitely. You see how okay. I'm good in Nadal, but I'm not a developer. We have the greatest team who experience it in Bubble, because Adal, as you see, not the best platform for most of the cases, but for MVP is okay. And I know Adal well, and that's why we developed on that. Thank you for coming, and develop it no code, learn how to do that very you can develop the product, your products very fast. And also we after finishing the stream, I think we'll finish it Saturday. We have Sunday stream at Sunday. I invited founder of no code tool, Kate. We already made interview already. Took interview with her, but it will be stream, and we will test the platform with her. It will be Sunday, and after that we will create the new week. I will make like I want to make the challenge to this to the whole month. I think make a stream every day, and the next week I want to start learning streams. We will together learn platforms. I want to start with Flutterflow, because I need to transfer my Cafe Work app where you can find cafes for work. In Flutterflow, definitely, because it is an app store. And it will be new week. And guys, if you want to come to me to learn Flutterflow together, let's chat. You have my contacts here in YouTube, and I think so. I will do it alone, or I invite some people who also start to learn Flutterflow, and all together. So I'm ready to show how to learn the platforms. So it's pretty easy, but you need to make like step-by-step things, like first for example, learn documentation, see some videos, try to do something, make this tests, and only after that, like on the small preparation, go and develop. And like most the main part of development will be in the practice. And I want to launch like in 1 month. I think earlier, the boot camps where we can where people who not like juniors like new in no code tool, they will come to one place. So we will invite them to Zoom, and we will have one mentor, and they will together discussing and learn the platforms. And it will be, I think, in the streams too. So I want to show all these processes, and you will see online how people get knowledge in no-code tools, and how and you understand that you can do it like as simple as these people, as me and somebody else. So I think this a little bit motivate you learn no-code tools, and this is like one of the target of these streams and future learning streams, to show that no-code is simple, and that you don't need deep in like hard mathematics subjects, and you don't need to learn. Okay, you need to learn. It is better if you will know like basis of algorithms and so on, and like how to build databases, how to build how to plan the products and projects, how to make a processes, workflows. You can, it's better if you will know that. But without that, you can start even without that, and learn it during your practice. Yeah. So just practice, just do no code, and I don't know. Maybe it will be name for these boot camps. Just do no code. Maybe. Yeah. Looks good. So yeah, Roma said in the chat, hi no code. Yes, hi no code. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and please come tomorrow, and we will definitely publish this shit tomorrow. Yeah, because tomorrow I will plan the stream better, and we have not many tasks for to do tomorrow. We have just payments and set the app accounts and test it again. Thank you, guys, and yeah, see you tomorrow.